tool. Hi, and welcome to Cursive Writing for Lefties. Today we're going to do cursive capital and lowercase o. So, let's get started. Your paper has to tilt for lefties. You have to have the lower corner going down, the right corner, and the left corner going up. That's the tilt that we use to write for lefties. It helps with the positioning of our hands and the writing process. Right here, this is my hand position or finger position. I put my pencil in between the first knuckle and the nail of my index finger. I put my pointer finger there, and then I put my thumb there. And it helps to be able to control the pencil and make my letters have more control over how I make my letters. Okay? So I'm going to keep my paper straight, but you remember to tilt your paper. Okay? And remember to have a slant to your letters. That's what those 3 lines are. They help me to remember to slant my letters. Okay? Now, cursive capital O. You start here, right below the top blue line. You want to slant down. Curve at the bottom red line. Come back up where you started and make your little loop. That's a cursive O, capital. Start at the top blue line, bring it all the way down, come back up. Okay, let's do that again. Start right here at right under the blue line, slant down, curve around, go back up to where you started and make your curly Q. Okay, now, if you noticed, I made it bigger there than I did on the other 2. So the thing is that what you want to do is make sure you have a curly Q first. And then kind of make it like that in between, because this is really actually too big and that's kind of too small. So you want to put it in the middle. Okay? Make an O. Just one movement, really. Okay, and as usual, I like the last letter that I wrote better than the first letter that I wrote, and all the way down. This one to me looks better. Okay, now lowercase o, pretty much the same thing. Those are your slanted lines. Lowercase o is more like that. You don't do it in this direction like you did the capital O. You do it more like this. You start there. Oh, nope, that's not it. This is how I do it. Go to the right first for the little O. Later, when you're connecting your letters, that may be better for you, or you'll see why that one goes in the opposite direction. Okay? So, there's no other letter like O. O is its own letter. It's just a circle, but it's a fancy circle. Okay? So today we have gone over capital O and lowercase o. Okay? The main thing to remember is that the capital O starts going from the left down, and lowercase o starts from the right around. Okay? All right, so you can practice these on your own. They're not that hard, but it does take a little, ingenuity. Make sure you're holding your pencil correctly so that you can do exactly what you need to do. They come out better when you hold your pencil like this. I know some people hold their pencil like that. Some people even write like this. It actually helps you to write better when you can hold it between these 3 fingers. Okay? So keep on practicing, and I'll see you next video. Bye-bye.